activities for toddlers. Don't forget to subscribe. Number 1. Laundry. Every time I'm doing my laundry, my 2-year-old loves unloading the clothes from the dryer. He feels like he's just playing, so I let him do that. It is easy for him anyways because it is his level. Come on, Astor, you're almost done. After unloading all the clothes from the dryer, he pushes the yellow basket towards my closet. Number 2. Throwing trash. Every morning he is helping me to throw trash. But don't worry, that is not heavy. He's just dragging it out. I am so lucky. He loves doing chores with me. Number 3. Sweeping. I always let him do his thing. He's enjoying picking up leaves, stem, anything, sometimes flower, or sometimes really sweeping. But in any way, he's helping me because he's busy. Oh, don't get me wrong. He's picking up flowers to give it to his dad or sometimes to give it to me and then give a kiss. He's just trying to be a sweet little boy. Throwing trash. He knows the word trash or throw. And every time that I'm holding something and then I say throw it to the trash, he knows how to throw it. There are times that after changing his diaper, he's just gonna grab the diaper and then throw it by himself on the trash can. He's so independent. One morning, I caught him cleaning by himself, so I decided to record it because that's so cute. Number 4. Organizing toys. Number 5. Playing ball. Number 6 and 7. Explore outside. Run around. Be happy. Be a kid. What's this? Yeah, apple juice. Do you like apple juice a lot? You need my help? Number 8. Playing with toys. Right there. Number 9. I let him burn his energy so he will sleep well at night. Number 10. Pushing. Every time we go to the grocery, I let him push it because he gets bored just sitting there. Plus, he needs to walk.
Push.